I thought it would be easier if I just wrote out the problem on a video rather than trying to type it up, especially with exponents. So we have, for number 7, we have 80 to the 1/4 power over 5 to the negative 1/4 power. And we know anytime we have a negative exponent, we want to do the reciprocal, so we're going to bring that up. So that's going to give us 80 to the 1/4 power now times 5 to the 1/4 power. Now we know in order to add the exponents, the base must be the same. So we're actually going to break down 80 so that we can have the same base. We know that 16 times 5 is 80. And we also know from the power rules that you can rewrite this as 16 to the 1/4 power times 5 to the 1/4 power, and then times 5 to the 1/4. So this right here is from above. So 16th to the 4th root would give us 2. And here we're multiplying the same base. So we just add the exponents, which would be 5 to 1/2. So that's how they got the answer, 2 times 5 to 1/2. Hope this helps.